Have you ever wondered what the difference between gorillas and orangutans is? Well, you're not alone. These remarkable creatures are part of the group known as great apes, yet they are as different as night and day. Let's start with gorillas. Hailing from the misty mountains and lowland forests of Central Africa, gorillas are the world's largest primates, boasting a muscular build and a dark coat. They're known for their ground-dwelling and social habits, living in groups called troops. Orangutans, on the other hand, are the world's largest tree-dwelling animals, native to the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. They boast a unique reddish-brown fur, quite different from their gorilla cousins. Unlike the social gorillas, orangutans are more solitary creatures, spending a great deal of their time alone. While both gorillas and orangutans are great apes, they each have their own distinct characteristics and habitats. Intrigued to know more? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into their unique features. Ever considered where these great apes call home? Well, let's embark on a virtual journey to their natural habitats. Gorillas are primarily found in the lush forests of Central Africa, where they have adapted to a terrestrial lifestyle, navigating the dense vegetation and rugged terrain with ease. Their survival strategies are closely tied to their environment, with gorillas utilizing the forest's bounty for food and shelter. On the other hand, orangutans are native to the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, where they spend the majority of their lives in the treetops. This arboreal lifestyle has influenced their physical adaptations, with their long arms and hook-shaped hands perfect for brachiation. That's a fancy term for swinging from branch to branch. While both species share a common primate ancestry, their distinct habitats have led to unique survival strategies and adaptations. They are true testament to nature's ability to shape and diversify life on Earth. Now that we know where they live, let's explore their physical differences. Can you spot a gorilla from an orangutan at first glance? Let's dive into the physical differences between these two fascinating great apes. Firstly, size and weight play a significant role in distinguishing them. Gorillas are generally larger and heavier, with males tipping the scales at around 400 pounds, while orangutans average at about 100 pounds. When it comes to color, gorillas sport a dark coat ranging from black to grayish-brown, while orangutans are easily identifiable with their distinctive reddish-brown hair. Now let's focus on their unique physical characteristics. Orangutans are known for their broad chests and incredibly long arms, perfect for swinging through the treetops of their rainforest homes. In contrast, gorillas with their muscular bodies and short hair are built for ground-dwelling and powerful physical activities. Interesting, isn't it? But there's more to these apes than meets the eye. Do you think gorillas and orangutans socialize the same way? Well, they don't. Gorillas are highly social animals, living in groups known as troops. Each troop is led by a dominant male, the silverback, who makes all the decisions, mediates conflicts, and takes responsibility for the safety and well-being of the troop. On the other hand, orangutans are more solitary. Adult males prefer to live alone, while females live with their offspring. They interact less frequently, and their social bonds are not as strong as those of gorillas. When it comes to communication, gorillas use a combination of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. Orangutans, while also using vocalizations and physical expressions, communicate more through touch due to their solitary nature. So, while both gorillas and orangutans are intelligent and sociable in their own ways, their social structures and behaviors are quite different. This difference is mainly due to their unique environments and survival strategies. So, they have different social lives, but what about their diets? What's on the menu for our great apes? Now this is where things get interesting. Gorillas, with their massive size and strength, are primarily herbivores. They feed predominantly on leaves, stems, and bamboo shoots, with fruits making up a smaller portion of their diet. This plant-based diet is crucial for their survival, providing them with the necessary nutrients and energy they need to thrive. On the other hand, orangutans boast a more varied diet. Yes, they love their fruits, especially figs, but they're also known to munch on leaves, bark, and even insects. Their ability to adapt their diet to the available resources in their environment is a key survival mechanism, aiding them in their battle against habitat loss. The diets of these magnificent creatures not only reflect their adaptations to their respective environments, but also shed light on their conservation status. So there you have it, the key differences between gorillas and orangutans. Makes you appreciate these fascinating creatures even more, doesn't it?